If you're looking to create a discount estimator in Outgrow, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to build a simple yet effective estimator, step by step, so you can start offering personalized discount estimates to your audience. First things first, Outgrow is a fantastic tool that allows you to build interactive content like calculators, quizzes, assessments, and more. It's perfect for anyone looking to engage their audience while collecting valuable data. And the best part? You can get started completely free through the first link in the description below with our exclusive bonuses. Now, let's dive into building your discount estimator. The process is quick, and I'll guide you through it. Once you're logged into Outgrow, start by selecting the calculator template. This will give you a great foundation for your discount estimator. Outgrow offers a ton of templates to make things easier, but the calculator template is perfect for this type of project. When the template is open, you'll see fields where you can input the details of your estimator. The first step is to determine the variables for your discount. For example, if you're calculating a discount based on the purchase price or quantity, you'll need to set up inputs for these factors. Outgrow allows you to define variables like text fields, drop-downs, or sliders to collect the data from users. Next, you'll need to add your formula. This part is super important. Outgrow allows you to create a custom formula to calculate the discount based on the data the user inputs. Whether you're using a fixed percentage or a tiered system, you can input your specific discount rules into the formula editor. If you want a flat discount, you can simply multiply the user's total by a percentage, like 0.15 for a 15% discount. If you're using a tiered discount, it gets a bit more advanced, but Outgrow's intuitive formula editor makes it easy to set up conditions and ranges. Once your formula is set, it's time to make the results more dynamic. Outgrow lets you personalize the results page, where users can see their discount and any additional information. This is where the real magic happens. You can display a personalized message, offer a call to action, or even send them an email with their discount details. Another cool feature in Outgrow is the ability to integrate your calculator into other platforms. After you're happy with how it looks and works, Outgrow provides seamless integrations with websites, landing pages, and even email campaigns. This means you can put your discount estimator directly in front of your audience wherever they are. As a bonus tip, you can add a conditional flow to your estimator. If certain conditions are met, like a minimum spend for a discount to apply, you can automatically redirect users to different outcomes. Outgrow makes setting up these conditional flows super simple with its drag and drop interface. In no time, you'll have a fully functional discount estimator that engages your audience, collects data, and helps convert them into loyal customers. The best part? You can customize it to fit your brand and the exact discounts you want to offer. Before we wrap up, don't forget to check out the link in the description below for your exclusive free trial and extra bonuses that will help you get the most out of Outgrow. You can start creating your own interactive content right away without any upfront costs. So now you know how to build a discount estimator in Outgrow from start to finish. It's quick, simple, and a great way to boost engagement on your website or landing page. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Outgrow and other digital marketing tools to grow your business.